Okay, so you might be getting the error message Hill Start Assist coming up randomly on your Fiat 500. One of the cheaper options to go with that, to fixing the issue, that's what I went with here, was the fuel brake switch. This is a 2008 1.4 Sport Fiat 500, and every so often it's randomly throwing up the ESP fuel and a fuel Hill Assist. Now, you'd think this switch would be connected to the brake pedal here under the driver's column, but it ain't. It's connected here. This is a European model, and you can see there's the switch. Now it takes a couple of seconds to change the switch, quite easy. So it kind of goes in and twists, and this came off. That little switch there, just pops in there. Take off the connector at the back, that twists out, wiring back on, and hopefully it's a cheap, easy fix. I'll let you know. I've just changed this today. It'll be coming up randomly, this error message on this Fiat 500, and hopefully that will have solved it, and I'll keep you updated. Thank you.